Okay, so we're slicing up audio. I've dragged in a sample here that sounds a bit like this. And basically the idea of this is that we'd click on it twice, and we would, there's like little triangles up here, markers where things are happening. So as you can see in the waveform, there's one here, one at the start of that one at the start of that one. Basically what we want to do is we want to make it so that we can slice it up on these markers. So quite simply, hold down Control, and click. You can insert more markers if that's what you want to do, but for this purpose, because it's already found them automatically, we want to go down. We want to go to Slice New MIDI track. Slice to New MIDI track. Click that, and it'll come up with a few different options. So you can do it by 8th notes, 16th notes, and stuff like that, but that's not going to be as accurate as we want it. You can do it by markers, which is not exactly what we want, but you could place the markers where you want them to be. But we're going to use transient, which basically cuts it up where it thinks it's best, and all in order. Okay, so click OK. It basically does that. I already did it earlier, but there we go. And then in the other view, it creates a channel here. This channel's just been made. So now you can click on it twice to make a clip, and these are all the slices, and you can play them on the keyboard. You might not be able to hear it. So they're all being played on the keyboard. And then literally you can just plot your points, and yeah, it's all sliced up in order. So if it was in, obviously it'd be in order, it would be like this, going up perfectly like that. But I mean, one I made earlier, would be something like that. It's the same thing, and it's using all the different sounds from the original, but just in a new order, which because I've managed to chop it all up, I can just rearrange it the way I want. Yeah. Okay, so and obviously the original doesn't sound like that. I mean, I can drag that one in to here, remove that one, okay, so then that's my version, and the original was okay. The original sounds much better because it's, you know, but it's just to show how I've chopped it up. Okay, so that's basically, you don't have to do that with just drums, you can do that with any samples, but yeah, it's basically, the other way to do it, it would be literally to add markers. So literally you double click up here and the little markers would appear, and then you could right click, for example, control click if you're on a Mac,